Imagine you're dealing with video transcript data and running into a bit of a problem. The issue at hand involves the data being exported with a return mid-sentence, which is making it challenging to combine the spoken lines into a single row. It's a classic problem that many might encounter when working with automated transcripts. Now, diving into the solution that can help tackle this issue. The key here is to use the paste function to merge the transcript lines into a single long string. Following this, regular expressions come to the rescue in extracting the timestamps and speech segments. By cleverly using stringer functions to match patterns, you can separate the timestamps from the spoken lines and then interleave them together to get the desired output. In a nutshell, by implementing this approach, you can efficiently combine the fragmented transcript data into coherent and structured content. Say goodbye to disjointed lines and welcome a seamless flow in your video transcripts. Remember, a little bit of Regex magic can go a long way in streamlining your data processing tasks. And that's a wrap for today. We've tackled the pesky problem of merging scattered transcript lines into a cohesive format using a smart and efficient solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your data always be well structured and organized.